Namaskar. Viewers, today we have Mr. Ganguly with us. Every week we have been discussing some important topic on Vastu and hope the viewers you are getting the benefits also out of it. So today we will discuss the importance of the bedroom in Vastu.
You see, in Vastu, every segment of the house is very, very important. We have already discussed in our last episodes kitchen, door, puja room. Bedroom is also equally important as far as Vastu is concerned. You cannot organize or you cannot have a bedroom anywhere you feel like. Every bedroom is related with the age, which a lot of people are not aware. The bedroom in the southwest is actually meant for, or let us say, the head of the family of the house. For the children, it can be east. East is a good location for the children. Or if it is not available, then you can have northern side also. You cannot have the southeast corner. If suppose there is a bedroom in the southeast corner, you cannot have a bedroom there for a sick person. Well, he will go further sick, and particularly a pregnant lady should not be allotted a bedroom in the southeast corner. Well, she will develop a lot of complications, she will have a lot of problems. The young married couple can be positioned in the northwest segment of the house, a bedroom of that side. Other members of the house can also occupy in the western side. You cannot have a bedroom right in the center of the house. Center is called the Brahmasthan, that should be left alone. So, a bedroom plays a very, very important role in this way.
What should be the head direction while sleeping?
Yes, you see, there's a lot of confusion. A lot of people keep asking me, how do I sleep and which direction the head should be. I always give a very, very simple formula that your head should not be towards north and legs should not be towards east. If this formula can be remembered, well, you have taken care of. I will repeat once again. The head should not be towards north and the legs should not be towards east. This is a very, very simple formula to remember.
It's very interesting. Many of us doesn't know all this, Suppose it is not possible to place the cot or the bed in the eastern direction or the south direction. So, how do you take care of that?
If it is not possible for you to re-lay out the cot, then the best way is when you sleep, you position your pillow accordingly. That will take care.
Are there any specific items which are not to be kept in the bedroom?
Many houses I have seen that there is a box cot. Normally box cots are used for the bed because of the space constraints and all that. And inside the box, when I ask them, I am told that they have stored a lot of old items, and sometimes they have stored the utensils, sometimes leather items, and also old photographs, even photographs of departed souls. Now, these are absolutely a big no. You should not store all these things inside the box cot on which you are sleeping. And I have also seen in some houses that shoes are kept beneath the cot. Well, the shoes are not to be kept. First of all, it is unhygienic and it brings a lot of negative energy inside the bedroom. The departed soul's photographs are to be kept on the southern wall of any other room, not the bedroom, but not even the living room, drawing room.
So, hope viewers, you have got immensely benefited from these episodes. We'll come again next week with very interesting topic which is called Brahmasthan. Namaskar.
Namaskar.